Changing your payout method on ShutterStock is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ShutterStock website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account for which you want to change the payout method. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ShutterStock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Payout Preferences. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payout Preferences or Payment Settings. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. You will see a list of available payout methods. Select the one you wish to change to, such as PayPal, bank transfer, or another option. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for the new method. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your payout method has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on ShutterStock. Make sure to check your account periodically to confirm that your payment preferences are still accurate.